Welcome all of you. The question is a cell of EMF 1.5 volt, internal resistance 1 ohm is connected to the two resistors 4 ohm and 20 ohm in series. So what we have to do, at first we have to draw a circuit. That is, this is the cell, its EMF value is 1.5 volt and the internal resistance of it is 1 ohm. So in conjugately it becomes the electric cell. EMF 1.5 volt, internal resistance 1 ohm. This thing is connected to resistors 4 ohm and 20 ohm. So I am just connecting this 4 ohm and 20 ohm, and these two resistors are in series. So this is 4 ohm and this is 20 ohm. These two are in series. So what we find that 4 ohm, 20 ohm and the internal resistance 1 ohm, all of these three are in series now. Okay, so if I try to find out the series equivalent of this thing, then we can say the series equivalent, that is R equivalent, 4 ohm, 20 ohm, 1 ohm in series. So I am just adding 4 ohm plus 20 ohm plus 1 ohm. So if I add these three, it will be 25 ohm. So we can think that the circuit is now reduced to this equivalent circuit, 1.5 volt and only one resistance 25 ohm, which is the equivalent of 4 ohm, 20 ohm and 1 ohm in series connection. Okay, so if I try to find out what is the current flowing through this circuit, the current flowing through this circuit will be I equal to 1.5 divided by 25, voltage divided by resistance. So it will give you the current. So this is 1.5 divided by 250. So this is 3 and this is 50. So I can consider that 3 divided by 50, this is the current, this is flowing through the circuit. So the same current is flowing through it, same current is flowing through this 4 ohm, same current is flowing through this 20 ohm, same current is again returns to the battery. Okay, the current in the circuit we have already calculated, that is 3 divided by 50 ampere. Now the potential drop across the 4 ohm resistor. Just see, this 3 by 50 ampere current is flowing through this 4 ohm resistor. So we can say the potential drop across 4 ohm. Obviously the current flowing through 4 ohm, is 3 by 50 into 4 volt. So this thing will become 2 and 25. So this will become 6 divided by 25 volt. So this is the potential drop across the 4 ohm resistor. Voltage drop across the internal resistance when the current is flowing. So when this current is flowing through it, obviously the internal resistance is 1 ohm. So we can say the voltage drop across internal resistance. What is internal resistance? Internal resistance is 1 ohm. So this 3 by 50, this current is flowing through this 1 ohm. So we can say 3 divided by 50 into 1 volt. Current into resistance equal to the voltage drop. So that will be 3 by 50 volt. Potential difference across the cell. Now the potential difference across the cell, if I want to try to find out, 1.5 volt is the EMF, R is the internal resistance. So the thing that I have calculated here, the voltage drop across the internal resistance, it is nothing but the lost volt. That amount of voltage is not available to us in the external circuit. Actually this battery's EMF is 1.5 volt, okay, but this 1.5 volt is not available to us. Okay, this potential drop 3 by 50 volt, okay, it is completely consumed by the internal resistance. So we can say the voltage drop across the internal resistance, it is nothing but the loss volt, that is 3 divided by 50 ampere. Okay. So the potential difference across the cell will be EMF of the cell minus loss volt. What is the EMF of the cell? 1.5. Okay, 1.5. What is the loss volt? Loss volt is 3 divided by 50. Okay, so if I just little bit, this is voltage obviously. If I do little bit simplification, or you can say calculation, then 3 by 50 can be written as 6 by 100. So we can say 1.5, it can be written as 6 by 100. Okay, so it will be 0.6 then. So 1.5 minus 0.6, it is basically gives you 0.9 volt. So 0.9 volt is actually applied to these two resistance. You can say the series combination of these two resistance, 4 ohm and 20 ohm. So this 0.9 volt is available to the external circuit. We can just understood that the potential drop across the cell, if we denote it by V, then E is the EMF of the cell, current into the internal resistance, that is the loss volt. So E minus IR, EMF of the cell minus the loss volt, because this amount of voltage is not available in the circuit. So we can say this is 1.5, the current is 3 by 50, internal resistance is 1, so it is 1.5 minus 3 by 50, that is 6 by 100, so 0.6, so it will be 0.9 volt. Thank you all of you.